Hey guys, it's Michael Harbridge. Happy New Year, and I want to talk to you about an upcoming webinar that I've got on January 31st. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some really cool techniques using stamps, doing pieces like this. We can do black and white, we can do color, can do it on rounded shapes, which traditionally is kind of difficult to do with stamps. I've got this large platter that I did, all just in black and white. These stamps work great on rounded areas that go in like this as well. We'll also cover doing it over the top of colors and over washes. Can do it with black, you can do it with different colors over the top. And we'll also cover, for those of you with studios or doing workshops and things, you can take bisque pieces, do the stamping on there, and do this almost like a coloring book. Pre-fire these designs onto different shapes, and they're great for camp projects and workshops and things like that. Your students don't have to actually put the patterns on the piece utilizing these stamps. And these stamps are really cool. There's a lot of different designs and things. They're very flexible, very cool, work great on rounded surfaces. I'll show you all the different tips and tricks. So again, it's on January 31st for the live webinar. If you can't make it for the live show, sign up anyway, because when you register, you pre-register for it before the live show, you get the recording at no additional cost. You also get the written technique sheet. And if you really want a great deal, check out the Webinar Club. With the Webinar Club, you get all of the recorded webinars that are out there. There's hundreds of those webinars by various different instructors. And all it is a commitment that once a month you get the new webinars as they come out, and you have access to all those old webinars. So you can register by going to ceramicarts.com, click on the webinar tab up at the top, and it'll give you all the information. It's really easy to register, but make sure you register before January 31st. I look forward to seeing you and teaching you some new techniques.